Anin, kinawaya. Ayaw da shalonga ka kinomon them. So today I'm going to show you how you would greet somebody when you're entertaining, bringing somebody into your home. First of all, there's one phrase if you're bringing an individual into your house. So what you would say is, Anin, bibiin gen. Anin, bibiin gen. Now if you're bringing in a group of people, and you need to pluralize that. So what we do in Anishinaabe is we pluralize that by doing this. Anin, bibiin gek. Anin, bibiin gek. After you brought them in, you're going to want them to do something. So you might ask them to sit down. So you'll say, again, I'll go through the whole thing. Anin, bibiin gen, madibin. If we pluralize that, we're going to say, Anin, bibiin gek, madibik. Aha, misayo. Wampi minwa, wapong. Aha.